Well, the rockets you can hang on to.
Whoa.
That'll wake up Edie.
Get down!
That went up there, man.
Isn't there supposed to be more?
Give me a chip. We only shoot one, right?
That one.
Shit, that scared me. Gunshots! Hit the deck!
That was like, I'd say that was probably 100 feet up in the air.
Oh, show 'em. They want a war? Alright. This is how it starts, right?
Yeah.
We're having a firebird battle! I think they're going to win.
What's on the hood of this thing?
More impressive than it's supposed to.
Will I break it?
I want to see this one go off.
That's on the hood of this car.
I want to see these two go off. They're the best here. 25 and 25. I hate fireworks.
I hate the sound.
Yeah, me too. The sound.
I think I'm a dog, Mom.
Yeah, okay.
Where's Coco? I'm hard. I'm gonna have a panic attack.
They should let Coco on. Coco would love
Oh my god. It says right on the box, no dog, no animals.
that. Does it really do? No, I believe
On the
you.
back,
No,
it says,
cool.
I'll put animals inside.
Really?